we have talked about till oral cavity. From mouth we is coming to oral or buccal cavity. So from buccal cavity it is now will be opening to pharynx. A pharynx is nothing but a short tube which is a common for both food and wind. This is a common pipe for both food and wind. From pharynx it will be opening into esophagus and trachea. Okay, trachea is a windpipe. Pharynx is common for both food and wind, and trachea is specific for windpipe. So coming to this epiglottis. Epiglottis is nothing but it's like a plate-like structure which prevents the entry of food from the glottis. Now what is glottis? Glottis is the opening of the windpipe which is trachea. I will explain you again. Epiglottis is a cartilaginous flap which will prevent the entry of food into the glottis. Glottis is the opening of windpipe, that is trachea. Now talking about the esophagus. Esophagus is a thin, long and J-shaped tube, okay, which will be opening into the stomach. Okay, we have seen that from pharynx it is going to esophagus. So now from esophagus it will be going to stomach. How it will be who is like guarding this process, which is called as gastroesophageal sphincter. It will guard the process of esophagus opening into the stomach. Now the stomach is situated in the upper left of the abdominal cavity. Where the stomach is situated? It is situated in the upper left and it has three portions, which is cardiac, fundic and phylorheic. This cardiac is where this esophagus will be connecting to the stomach. Okay, that I have mentioned as esophagus. Fundic is the middle region and phylorheic region is this. This phylorheic region will be opening next into the small intestine. So as of now we talked about the mouth. From there we are having oral cavity, and from oral cavity it is pharynx, esophagus and stomach. This cardiac portion is where the esophagus is getting connected to the stomach.